Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the Pine script not showing in TradingView. Add script and refresh and save the fix. So the step 1 is to add script to chart properly. Script may be not saved but not applied. So open your Pine editor. Once you open it, here you can simple firstly enter your script completely. Once you enter, then you can simple first click on save, name it my script and then click on save. After saving, you can simple click on publish the script. Okay? And then you can simple add it to your chart. Step 2, save script before applying. I already told you before applying you can simple save the script. The next step is you can simple check indicator and strategies tab. So script might already been added but hidden. So to add you can simple open your indicator, type here your script name like my script 1 I edit right now, and then tap on it, and then it will simple adding here. Next step is you can simple fix the complication error. Error prevents script from appearing. So look for red error message in Pine script and then fix the script. You can use any kind of AI softwares like ChatGPT, Gemini or other pro like Claude to fix this error if you don't know about scripting as much. And the last step is you can simply refresh the chart or reload the website. So firstly you can reload the website or you can close and reopen again. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.